front of me is SONY Xperia 1.7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files. Finally, to add an audio one, use one of those apps. Click on Audio at the top to find it here, or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to find it in one of those sources. When you're ready, tap on it to attach it. To add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Scroll down to look for your video and click on it to add it. If you can't find it, select Photos at the bottom left corner. Look for it here. Tap on it to attach it. And select Done at the bottom right corner twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!